parallel, and these are interior angles, right? So what is this then? It's given as 90. See here, the figure is not up to the mark. It's not drawn to the scale. So this is 90. So 90 plus EBC equals to 180. So EBC is what now? 180 minus 90, that is 90. So EBC equals to 90. EBC is 90 now. Now as EBC is 90 and y plus EBC equals to 180, so y becomes what? 90. You can solve it this way also, or directly also. It's I can, as I have told you, EBC plus y equals to 180. So y equals to 90. Y is, we got 90 now. Now GEB equals to EBA. Why? Because these are alternate angles. They form the Z and these lines are parallel. So alternate angles are equal. So 90 plus 30. What is 90 plus 30? This is 90 y plus this 30 equals to 90 plus x, right? So 90 90 gone, x equals to 30. Okay. So x is, we got it 30 now. So what we want now? 9x minus 2y. So 9 into 30 minus 2 into 90 equals to 270 minus 180, that is 90. That's the answer required. Next, fill in the blanks. A dash has two endpoints. Segment. See this segment. A and B, two endpoints. Some people call it line segment. A line has dash endpoints on the other side. No endpoints. See, this is a line. It has 2 points, but the arrows move forward to this side also and this side also. So it does not stop. Like the segment earlier. This segment stops. Line does not stop. Okay, so it has no endpoints. A dash is a line that intersects two or more lines at two distinct points. That is called as transversal. See in this slide, which I have shown you many times. This line is a transversal. It intersects two different lines at two different points. All these are transversals. A dash is formed when two rays meet. Angle is formed. See, these two rays meet, BA and BC. So B is the starting point and this is called as ABC is the angle. Download Yuaguru app from Play Store to get his videos, tests, question banks with explanation directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp on the number for purchases. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.